Hauragat Higher Secondary School along Thengpi ka klim ke pen gonasop aphan anghap ke tho Hamren Gop Higher Secondary School along Sonthan Kelang Kapado Kardom Nili Karbi abirta thanbang thare harmony be non birtang ton pen arjik tha Prisir Cap Arni Harokat Higher Secondary School along Thengpi Aklim ke pen gonasop aphan eng hap thopon tanglo
Prick Cap Arni pen Prick Cricket Home Arni an kapadu jigonot saf along pachiton dun pen Prisir Cap Arni Harokat Higher Secondary School along Thengpi Aklim epon Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ok pransai kamai em khonsing rong pila pen thanbang atum kacharap kachetu ang bongsi school hem komraya bin ke do Thengpi Aklim AC Prick Cap Arni pen kapang chengji gonot saf aphan ang hap thopon
West Karbi Anglong Arong Supi Hamren Gop Higher Secondary School ahem along Pretroxy Arni Sonthan Kelan Mate Sign Exhibition padu pusi card news along Pirta nangpale
Sonthan Mate Science Aputhak Usumarang Bong Kapachi Hungji Aphan Pretroxy Arni Hamren Gop Higher Secondary School along Sonthan Kelan padopon Assam Science Technology and Environment Council pen kibila so kelan along Hamren ang Kanghum Kepa School Usumar Methang kason si ason Sonthan Aputhak Kelan padudun Sonthan Kelan ajay megalong pachaton dun pen Arjan Kihi Chisik Sepin pen lam kethan kachepate pado West Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner DK Barwala pen Arya sang hosai phuatum chetong dun pen Sonthan Kelan along RDP dun
Preni Painar Cap Arni Tili Pli Apor Malam pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Jagar Singh ti kidam tang Preni Pai Troxy Arni Langket Hepen Rong Langkang Lum Adim along Kahumrida
Sarupathor MSC constituency ang kang kedamtang Prenipay Troxy Arni Langket Hepen number ator solopen Patiatong adak atowar mate RJ Road along Calvert Kirun Vangajok Radatum kacheleng kisum chetong nanglo Lapen ongdong radatum Bait kaching koita dolupu EM ingti Birtalong si ademalong Humri dampen tong sekot Cardward kahino ademalong kaselam ponche apan PWD Borpatha Road Division JE lapen engineer atumapan chingki chethan pon
Non malam so apor aphan dina parman birtamu ington ponik sina
SMV Motors. All types of Hero bikes and scooty as well as self-service, accessories and spare parts are available here. For any purpose, you can contact Kunal Kumar Gupta 9678498550, Manadas 9085973443, Ranjit Singh 9613731109, and also HDFC Finance available here. For finance, contact 9613731109. SMV Motors, Rongkhalan, opposite of DIG Bungalow, Karbi Anglong Difu, Mancha Road, 782460.
और अभी एक और भूकंप 7.4 की तीव्रता का
Uy laki ahiring tangrak anlo ongdunga tuma pran kidam ta du uta haipo
던정 이동 게햄 비치김지 판시지 담범로 넌기 프레이트 두클로
Nilita hemgimi kimbomlo
sita lahalamen asapta nili mathate athema nili hemalon extra kipidundo athe nili hemki kimalonge Tata Tiscon SD bar pensi kimponlo
Tata Tiscon SD Extra Safe Bar lage texture a technical atum pensi Mesena Factory along Selampon lo. Lasi Tata Tiscon SD Bar ke kaita extra safe lo.
Langpi Dehangi Rural Bank welcomes you to own your new Royal Enfield, built for all roads, built for no roads. Dealer Ishan Motors, Ward number 2 near CCI Limited, Bokazan Dimapur Road, NH39, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For service 7896169017. For sales 7896169021. Email ishanmotorska@gmail.com. Easy loan from Langpi Dehangi Rural Bank. Banker to Hills people of Assam. Financer Langpi Dehangi Rural Bank offers two-wheeler loan, low EMI, finance up to 80%, longer repayment period. Contact your nearest branch for more details.
বৰ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ গোন্ধ আহি আছে যে জুতি লগা আসলতে ইয়াৰ আৰত কি আছে
ইয়াৰ আৰত আছে কাঞ্চ সৰিয়হৰ তেল স্বাস্থ্যসন্মত বিশুদ্ধ
আৰু সোৱাদযুক্ত
Aturkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Assam Hills Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason selam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola upthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
আপুনি বাৰু বিশুদ্ধ খোৱা পানীৰ অভাৱ অনুভৱ কৰিছে নেকি এতিয়া আৰু চিন্তা নাই কাৰণ বজাৰলৈ আহিল কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ বিজ্ঞানসন্মত উন্নত মানৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়াৰে প্ৰস্তুত কৰা কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰে আপোনাক দূষিত পানীৰ ভয়াৱহতাৰ পৰা আঁতৰত ৰাখিব
কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ
Dihinamopi putot birtalong wangtulo Prini Pioneer Cap Ani ada porpai sirkep aporpen difu head branch LDRB asahem athengno along pen pangcheng ponsi difu arong sope IT lapen Ru Samson Singing Team Memorial Park along an kapangtin asai kedeng
Swachh Bharat Abhiyan asai kedeng pon along LDRB asai pu Tarin Ranjan Deep lapen Karbinglong Temes Council Under Secretary Diori Ronghangta Chitongdun Amparta dipu rong supia long kedo LDRB aroarim lake LDRB dipu branch Bajar LDRB Lower Dilaji branch lapen LDRB Assam Hills Medical College branch along asai phu Chokomaratumta Chitongdun si dipurong supiang kang mati Karbinglong along ri along kaiki yamat ingkir etpen kido ponverja pancherap chitodun si kepangthora sailong RDP dun pusi kat news apherangke Mongol Kropen birtanang pale
Difu Bar Association atumpen Prenipai Troxy Arni Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Secretariat Asirkut along Dampen EM Amor Singh Tiso Apan Epak Pinpur Alo Bajirdam
Karbinglong rong supi dipolong District Judiciary Court kebang pen Dipu Bar Association atumta ajaka kisung chetong nanglo lahaya kisung aputha Karbinglong Autonomous Council apan kapachini lapen kerap kelong Japan Dipu Bar Association atum EM Tiso rideng Epak Pinpur Alo Bajirdam
Birta Bangkela Ponsington Pon Iglo Langik Bom Thakat News Channel Dome Thakme Kurwang Thu